2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT4WD Shadow Gray Metallic Service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 mile synthetic oil change. BG Fuel System Cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter Service Special, Fuel Injector Treatment, Fuel System Dryer and Coolant System Additive, Replaced Air Filter, Replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies, New wiper blades, Brake Fluid Service replaced all old fluid, 4-wheel computerized alignment, Optional Equipment: 8-speed automatic, 4WD, Gideon/Very Dark Atmosphere Fly, 10-way power driver seat with lumbar, 120-volt mid-mounted power outlet, 120-volt instrument panel power outlet, 12-volt rear auxiliary power outlet, 2 USB ports, 40/20/40 front split bench seat, advanced trailering package, advanced trailering system, All-Star Edition, Convenience Package 2, Dual Zone Automatic Climate Control, Electric Rear Window Defogger, Electrical Lock Control Steering Column, Easy Lift Power Lock and Release Tailgate, HD Radio, HD Rear Vision Camera, Heated Driver and Front Passenger Seats, Heated Steering Wheel, Heavy Duty Rear Locking Differential, Hitch Guidance with Hitch View, Keyless Open and Start, Leather Wrapped Steering Wheel, LED Cargo Area Lighting, Manual Tilt/Telescoping Steering Column, Power Sliding Rear Window with Rear Defogger, Radio, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Plus System, Rear Dual USB Charging Only Ports, Remote Vehicle Starter System, Sirius XM Radio, Theft Deterrent System, Unauthorized Entry, Trailer Tire Pressure Monitor System, Trailering Package, Universal Home Remote. KBB Fair Market Range High, 6,477 odometer is 7,830 miles below market average 16/22 city/highway mpg.